What's up, guys? It's Jeremy. Today I want to show you a concern of mine. The Moto 360, the original one, comes with the leather band, and you're certainly able to change the band out and put a metal one on it, such as this. This is the Pebble steel band that I put up here. It's $19.99. It makes the device look very good. The issue is it's cracking. You can kind of see to the edge of the band. And then also, if I flip it around, near where the round part meets the metal, if that makes any sense. And then also, on this side, you can see the cracking. And if I flip it, you also can see it right there. And this is happening from, if I hold it, you can kind of understand it better. The little circular part of the Moto 360 is touching the band. So if you wear this tightly on your wrist, or if you bend your wrist, it's going to put pressure on it. So that's exactly what's happening. And when I wear it, I can sometimes hear the back of the watch creaking. So it's kind of just an inclination to me that that's what's happening. Unfortunately, Motorola chose a cheap plastic back, and there's not too much you can do about it. You can send it in for them to fix. I'm not sure what they replace it with. I'm hoping that the next version of the Moto 360 comes with a better back, maybe made out of glass or something like that. Why not? Let me know in the comments below if you guys are having this issue, and especially let me know if you've sent them in for a warranty claim, if they've sent you something back of better quality. Thanks, guys, and have a good Thanksgiving.